Hey toy collectors, gamers, and plushie lovers. Welcome back to Click by Boom, your one-stop spot for all the viral goodies you never knew you needed, but now absolutely cannot live without. Here's today's juicy question to kick things off. Can a plush toy actually sing, vibe, and bring your favorite Incredibox characters to life? Right on your bed or shelf? Too wild to be true, right? Or maybe not. Drop your best guess in the comments below. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single click by Boom moment. Today, let's aim for a big burst of plushie power. Can we hit 2,000 likes and 575 comments? Let's go Plush Squad. Before we jump into this soft and squishy surprise, quick disclaimer. All product information, characters, and titles mentioned belong to their respective copyright owners. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and falls under fair use. We do not claim ownership of any intellectual property shown or described. Always check the official source or seller before purchasing. Now, let's squeeze into the magic. What do you get when you blend iconic Incredibox characters with ultra-soft, squishable design? You get the Sprunki Plush Toys collection, a cuddly, musical dream for gamers and collectors alike. If you're already vibing to the beats of the Incredibox game, these plushies will make your heart sing. Literally, crafted with top-tier plush material, these characters aren't just game-inspired, they're game-changing. So what exactly is packed into these charming bundles of joy? Let's unpack the details. 1. Soft, durable plush material. Forget cheap fillers. These plushies are made from high-quality plush that feels like hugging a warm cloud. No Hein-concerned chemicals, no scratchy stitching. Just premium softness straight from Guangdong, China's plushie capital. 2. Game-inspired brilliance. These aren't just random cute toys. Each Sprunki plush is modeled after your favorite Incredibox singer characters, like Oren and Wenda, bringing that digital music magic into the real world. Whether you're 14 or 40, these plushies hit the nostalgia and excitement button like a pro DJ. 3. Great gift for all occasions. Whether it's a birthday surprise, a Christmas morning wow moment, or just a midweek treat for yourself, these plush toys make perfect presents. Watch a kid light up. Watch a grown-up get weirdly excited. Trust us, it happens. 4. Available in sets. Yes, you can get all 4. Tired of products selling you one piece at a time? Great news! You can get all 4 main Sprunki characters in one go. Imagine the full band lined up on your shelf, each with its signature style and musical vibe. 5. CE certified safety. We care about safety, and clearly so do the makers. These plushies come CE certified, meaning they're tested and verified for kids aged 14 and up. Perfect for young teens and the forever young adults in your life. 6. From game to cuddle companion. There's something magical about seeing your favorite virtual singer in plush form. These dolls capture the unique costumes, expressions, and energy of Incredibox characters. It's like downloading rhythm and charm directly into your arms. 7. Surprise collector's value. Incredibox fans are growing fast. These plushies could become collector's items, especially since they're not mass-produced in every country. Wanna flex that exclusive collector energy? Get in early and get the full set. 8. Great for decor and display. Let's be honest, these plushies don't belong in a toy bin. They belong on a shelf, your gaming setup, or even on camera if you're a streamer or content creator. They add that extra flair, that quirky style only true fans will notice and appreciate. 9. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Going to a gaming convention, a fan meetup, or just want some company on a long car ride? These plushies are light enough to tag along and soft enough to double as a travel pillow. Versatile is an understatement. 10. Language-proof love. Don't worry if you speak English, Spanish, or a mix. These plushies don't talk back. No batteries, no awkward sounds. Just pure, quiet comfort and visual wow factor. Question: do they come as a set of 4? Yes. Multiple buyers confirmed. You can grab all 4 Sprunki characters together. Question: any discounts for buying big batches? One buyer asked about getting 34 pieces. So if you're looking to bulk buy, you may want to reach out to the seller directly. Who knows? Maybe you'll score a plushie power deal. Question: what's the size and feel like? Soft, firm enough to hold its shape, and perfect for hugging. These aren't those tiny, floppy ones. They've got presence. Note on shipping: if you're in the European Union, VAT and customs might apply. AliExpress typically includes VAT at checkout, but always double-check your local rules. Better safe than surprised at the door. Want to surprise a budding musician with something they'll actually love? Done. Need a TikTok-worthy plush to feature in your next content drop? Sprunki's got you. Looking for a safe but super unique gift for your niece, nephew, or gamer friend? You just found it. Decorating a gaming room, bedroom, or media center. Add these as the final touch that screams personality and taste. This isn't just a stuffed toy. It's a hug you can hear in your head, a soft friend with rhythm, and a brilliant tribute to one of the most creative music games of our generation. So back to our intro question. Can a plush toy really sing, vibe, and bring your favorite Incredibox characters to life? Okay, maybe not literally sing, but they absolutely bring the music and energy of Incredibox straight to your space. So if you guessed, yes, kind of, you nailed it. Before you go, subscribe to Click by Boom so you never miss a moment of product magic. We've got more viral, weirdly amazing, and must-have finds dropping every single week. Let's push the energy today. Can we hit 2,000 likes and 575 comments? I know the plush squad's got this. And here's your random tip of the day. To keep plush toys clean and soft, toss them in a pillowcase and wash on gentle. They'll come out fluffier than ever. No damage, no drama. Thanks for watching, and remember, click it, buy it, boom. Your life just got way cooler.